Good morning, scholars. Miss Metz here. Welcome back to your writing lessons. Today, with our Google Classroom tutorials, Miss Metz is going to be showing you two different things. First, I'm going to show you what it looks like when an assignment is returned to you. So you've already turned this assignment in. Your teacher checks it, and your teacher sees that there are some things that need to be fixed. So as teachers, we can return this assignment back to you. Just like if we were in the classroom and we're doing our writing and we say, oh, I need you to fix these things to make this stronger writing, we can do that here on Google Docs. So I'm going to show you first what it looks like from the teacher side, and then I'm going to show you from the student side what you do when an assignment is returned to you and how you can return it in after you fix the mistakes. So right now, I'm on Miss Metz's account. I'm on my account. And I'm looking at Isaiah's work. Isaiah turned in his writing assignment from yesterday, and it has 3 sentences. So that's my first thing that I'm noticing is this is not a paragraph. It's not 5 to 7 sentences. I'm going to need some more work done. So I'm going to need to return this writing to him. But the 5 to 7 sentences isn't the only thing that I'm seeing. I'm also seeing that we're missing capital letters. Now, I've seen a lot of scholars not using capital letters, and I'm wondering if that might be because you aren't sure how to make a capital letter on the computer. So I'm going to show you really quickly how we make a capital letter. On your keyboard, there's a Shift button. Shift, and then you'll hold down the Shift button and press the letter M, or whatever letter it is. So hold the Shift key down and press the letter that you want. So Miss Metz is making a comment right now where I told Isaiah to replace that M with a capital M. I could do that for the I as well, telling him to make that a capital I. And his T down here, make it a capital T. So those would be my suggestions, fixing the capitalization. So it shows up here. Also, in the private comments box, I can tell him all the different things that I need to be done. So first, I said I need it to be 5 to 7 sentences. Isaiah, this is a great start. Please make sure you have 5 to 7 sentences to make this a complete paragraph. So Isaiah will see this comment and he'll know, oh, it got returned to me because I need to make it 5 to 7 sentences. I will also say, also, please check your capitalization. And we know that we've worked on capital letters during this quarantine time, during our virtual learning. So we should all have capital letters at the start of our sentences. I should not be seeing that mistake anymore. Please check your capitalization. Also, I'm noticing he doesn't have a space after each of his periods. So I'm going to show him space. There should be a space there. Space. There should be a space there. See, it's adding more suggestions over here on the side for what I need him to do. And I'm going to write over here, please put a space after each sentence. Video's in the way, I can't see it. Look at that. The spelling even helps Miss Metz too, because sometimes when I type, I put the letters in the wrong order. So you're not alone in doing that. Okay, so I'm posting that comment, those things that I need Isaiah to fix, and then I'm going to click return. It's going to say he's notified, and it will change over in his Google Classroom. Okay, so that was returned back to him. Now we're going to go over to Isaiah's Google Classroom. We're going to see what it looks like from his end. So making sure, yep, I'm on Isaiah's. I'm going over to his writing assignment. And it says returned right here. It was returned. That means he needs to go back into his Google Doc. And here, There we go. Here he can see what he needs to fix, and so he'll work on correcting those mistakes. There, that's showing you how it can be returned, and then after he fixes those mistakes, he turns it in again. So same thing where he clicks turn it in, showing you when your teacher returns you how you fix the writing and then turn it back in again for a better grade. The last thing that I'm going to show you today is our writing assignment for today. So we've worked on writing 2 paragraphs. So that's just typing in your space, creating a writing assignment. And today we're going to be fixing the sentences below to have the correct ending punctuation. So thinking about if we need to add a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point. And we're going to fix sentences to add commas where commas need to be added. I'm going to link the video again for commas because I know that commas can get tricky. So I'm going to put that review video with this assignment as well when I post it. So all you're going to do when you have your copy of your Google Doc, you're going to put your name up here, and then you're going to work on adding right in this document here, because remember, you have your own copy. Nobody else can see it. Nobody else can edit it. You're going to add the ending punctuation. So my dad bought meat at the store. I know that that's a period. I am so excited to go back to school, exclamation point. Now, this might get tricky wondering where is the exclamation point. It's actually at the top of your keyboard with the 1 key. So you're looking for the 1 key. You're going to hold that shift button down. We worked with the shift button already for capital letters. Hold the shift down and click the 1 key, and that makes an exclamation point. If you're still having trouble with that, ask an adult or maybe an older brother or sister at home, and they can show you how to make the exclamation point. Next, why won't my computer turn on? We're asking a why question, so I know that this is a question. I need a question mark. Again, you might wonder, where is the question mark? How do I make that? On our keyboards, next to the shift key on the right side, so that would actually be this side for you, on the right side of your keyboard, look down to where the shift key is. Next to it, you'll see a key that has a slash. It looks like, yep, like that, a slash, and then above it is a question mark. Again, we're going to hold down the shift key and keep holding it while we press that key with the question mark. And there we go, made a question mark. Again, if you can't figure that one out on your own, make sure you ask an adult or someone older at home who has more experience with the computer to help you out. So you're going to continue doing that for the rest of those sentences. And lastly, adding the commas. So here in this sentence, Michelle, Daniel, and Brian are coming to the pool with us. I have a list of names here. I know that I need to separate those names with a comma. To make a comma, the 3rd key in from the shift key on the right side over here for you, you're going to hold down that shift key and press the 3rd key in. 1, 2, 3. On top, there's one of those comparison signs for math, and it's going, yep, this way. And then underneath it is a comma. So thinking about where that question mark key was, if you go 2 over from that question mark key. So shift and press down. Oh, I'm sorry, not shift. We actually don't need the shift for the comma. For the comma, just regular click, and there's the comma. Clicking that 3rd key in from the shift, comma. Clicking the 3rd key in from the shift button on the right side, comma. If you have trouble making a comma, again, ask someone at home and they can help you out. Okay. Oh, Ms. Metz realized we only needed 2 commas there. I made a mistake, but that's okay. That's why we check our work. So that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions on when work is returned to you or how to edit sentences in Google Docs, please reach out and let me know. All right, bye friends. Have a great day.